Welcome back to my channel. Kamusta? It's your girl Russellicious, and today's video I'll be showing you what's in my Balikbayan box. That's right, what's inside. And now I'm gonna show you what's inside. No, I'm just kidding. Shall we? I have been using Pinas Cargo for a very long time. Like, it has been not very a long time. I'm exaggerating, not long time. Not very long time. I'm a happy customer. It's a decent size for a small family like mine. So I have here a Yankee candle. Well, my mom would love this one. And I have, of course, I have a bunch of chocolates. Kit Kat. You know, the last time I went home, they said I sent too much chocolate, so I'm sending them a total of like 6 boxes. No, 4 boxes, including these in 3s. This is for my dad. I have, you can also send like these kind of bottles. This is a, what is this? This is from my mom. It's anti-aging, whatever. Another chocolate. Bunch of pastas, yes. This is Ferrari bag for my nephew. I just have a lot of bags. Yeah, laptop bag for my mom. She doesn't have a laptop, but she might want to consider getting one. I have 4 of these. This is made in China. 2.5 kilos for 100 pesos. I got 4 boxes. So they should shut the fuck up. I got Jergens antibacterial soap. I only use antibacterial soap. If you're using the most expensive soap and it doesn't have antibac, then it's useless. For your soap. God damn it, you've been out for the whole day, you're using antibac? Girl, that's nasty. I have another box. I already taped it for my nephew and sister-in-law. I remember I got her a Lazenza sleepwear. Eyeshadow, chocolates inside, a bag from Carpisa. I don't know what else, but yeah, I think so. That's it. Maybe a Johnson & Johnson baby powder for my nephew. I got these Beats. Yes, Dr. Dre Beats Solo in HD. Yeah. That's nice. I have another products from L'Oreal and Carpisa wallet. It's for my mom. It's sugar. It's a sugar, 3 fine sugars plus grapeseed oil for scrubbing for the face. For your best luck. I have a bunch of jackets from my brother. Oh, I love these. This is from my mom. It's very, very nice. So, drop that in. I have another dress. Oh, this is also from Cotton On. They had a big sale because they were moving out. And this is the back. It's elegant. These are my old clothes. I'm gonna give this to some friends. And another candles for my mother. Oh, this is the sleeping dress I got from Lazenza. It's almost the same for my sister-in-law, but I think I got her in color pink. Yeah. Squeeze me, baby. Squeeze me, right? Please me, baby. Bag from Carpisa. This is for my mother. Yay! Look at that. It's fancy. She looks very rich. This is the most important gift and the heaviest. And the gift that took all the space in the box is Windsor cookware. Do you want to take a peek? It's not really that interesting. that's really it. Nothing really expensive. I don't have gadgets this year. I remember I sent a cell phone. I put it in a hard container. It was delivered okay. It was not stolen. So what else? I think that's all in my box. It's not too big. Yeah, it's not too big. So that's really it. My fruit of labor is ready to go. I'll see you in 40 to 60 days. Oh my gosh, she's so gorgeous. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club is looking at her. She needs a flag. Next thing. Oh my. How am I going to? Wait, I can't reach the top. Oh my god. Oh my. I'm gonna.